Hello everyone. In this episode, we'll discuss how to combine or stack multiple columns into one in Power Query using Power BI. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So first I will go to the Power Query editor. So from Power BI desktop, I will click on the transform data and again I will go click on transform data to go to Power Query editor. Let me zoom in. So here you can see four columns: product 1, product 2, product 3 and product 4. And I want to combine all these columns into a single column. Okay, so how to do that? So first I'm going to add first what we are going to do, we will convert each product 1, product 2, product 3 and product 4 into a list. So let me add a step here, and here I will say table dot to column columns, two columns, and in the bracket source. So this will convert each column into a list. Now let me accept this, and you can see each column is converted into a list. And now I'll show you. Here you can see the product 1 column, TV, laptop and desktop. This is the product 2 and this is the product 3 and this is the product 4. So now we have converted into a list. Now what we are going to do, we will combine each list into, now this will combine this like that. So we will create a single column. Now we will write another command. So I'll say list dot combine, in the bracket open and the bracket close, and now the list is combined and you can see all the product into a single column, but it is a still list. So you have to select this one, and after that you have to click to make as a table. So click on to table. Now you have to just click OK. Now it is converted into a table. Now here, from here you can rename the column product. So that's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.